Okay, so let's get back to what we need to thicken up for printing. So we're going to go back to these support struts here. So let's just select one and go, let's group it, and let's keep the color, and then edit, duplicate, and let's slide that out. Okay, so let's select a corner, so it's 2.05, and I think if we just do it on each side, so let's go up one, wow, that was seemed like a lot. And let's pull it again out from the other corner. Alright. What we'll do is we'll move these in to replace these two struts, and then once we have them aligned correctly, we'll duplicate the two of them and then just slide them over this way. So, okay. This one's all one piece, so let's see how far off the center it is. Okay. Oh, no. It's probably as close as we'll get. So I'm going to select the other one and slide that out. Okay. Then, in order to get these proportions, the height wise, we can ungroup and we can move these down. Oops. No, we didn't want that. We want the arrow. There we go. And we want to pull this one down. It's not bad. And we can do the same with this. And let's just pull that down a little more. There. Okay. So we can get rid of that. Delete. And we'll just delete. Actually, we'll duplicate this. First, let's group it. Group, multicolor, edit, duplicate, and with the left arrow key on my keyboard, slide it over. And let's just try to get it. Oops. All right, let me group this. Whoa. Yeah, let's just slide this over a little bit and let's group this. so we can slide it out easier. Group, multicolor, okay. And let's just get this over. Alright, now let's get the other one and get that out of the way. There. Let's see how that looks. Looks pretty good. Okay. And delete this. And let's do a double selection. Edit, duplicate, and let's do it this way. So the left arrow key, it's really great in order to keep things perfectly aligned. And let's use the F key to zoom in. Now let me do the same thing with these. Let's just okay. Let's just group that. And let's slide this over. Alright, so 1, 2, delete, 1, 2, and that looks pretty good. Oh, let's go back, undo, 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 undo. Okay, so that's grouped. Now select both of them, the one on the other side as well. Now use the arrow key and okay, so now right arrow key twice back, select that, delete, left arrow key twice, oops, back, and got it pretty well aligned. And then we erase this one. It's not as well, not aligned as well. Okay, we'll have to fix that. So there's another way around that. So just delete, whoops, delete, 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 and then edit, duplicate, and let's do it again. Left arrow key over. There we go. It could be a little more center. There we go. That feels better. Okay. Now let's get the coloring right. So ungroup, and that can be that one. So that matches that. I think that's fine. Alright, so those have been thickened. That's right. So these pieces need to be thickened as well. So I'm going to ungroup this arm, select this piece and this piece, and I'm going to drag it down. There. And I want to do the same with these top ones. Oops, wrong one, wrong side. So now do it again. There. Those are thicker. This needs to be thicker too. So I'm going to ungroup. Shift. Alright. So I want to select these both. I want to move them in this direction because they should be connecting and they don't appear to be. So in order to know that I'm moving them in parallel way, use the plane tool. Now use my left arrow key. But first I have to select it. Now the left arrow key. Okay. And then I'm going to move this back into it. So it'll be more into the wall, the back wall that we put in, and that'll give it more support. Alright, and then let's just make sure these overlap. See, they got a space between them, and we need that to be connecting. So put the wall back, the work plane back where it should be, and let's there we go. It's a little hard to see in the black. And let's just pull that back into it. We'll do the same with this one. There we go. And then let's just pull this down, make it a little thicker. Same with this one. There we go. Okay, that's a lot better. Alright, so let's go back shapeways and see if we missed anything. So we got this part, we got this. Oh yeah, so this eye part, which I'm not sure fix, but I think we've got everything else. Yeah. So, alright, let's try to figure out the eye. We'll go back, and in the next video we will deal with our eye. Alright, see you then. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe.